Nih,
Apa Friday? Tambah kam duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yapi, manga Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Na komen ban pentip shapi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film, ha ususo tham auditorium, naruga kapra tarik, adu laipuwe tarik ubanai jemang. Ki por kilong, kanar baje mensngi, ar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen banyak kendu biang yapi sashi sien.
Ki khubor kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Meghalaya, kan sahapan Pynthymmai Biang, Soskular, pan pelong ya kalumpung ili kai national game, house nam ajar pinyaw. Hakalay potrik jumang, kasngi ka ba menteri sarkar Padang, ubakmi yak na sport, unwan yu kajat sanong ba silong, may simanta ka jingyalang ka ba asngi jong ka Eastern Zone. Yakanya lapan tip do menteri ka sarkar jela, ubakmi yak na sport and youth affair, uba wailat miki shela. Hakakat kandai tarik jumang ajar penriu, ba dia tu bak sarkar jela, kadang syuyok jingtim, nak sarkar Padang, halo ka jingwan jong menteri ka sarkar Padang.
Actually, just yesterday I received a verbal message because till now I have not received any official like in writing. But according to that message, that they have informed us that the Union Minister of Sport, along with the Minister of State, along with the different sport official, will be coming on 28 here in Meghalaya, in Shillong, where on 28, 29 there will be this meeting where they used to call this Chintan Shivir. So they used to have this meeting. So this meeting will be for My Bharat group team, which are there in every state. And this meeting will be for the Eastern zone. This Eastern, including all the Northeastern states, along with West Bengal and Odisha. So this meeting will be on 28 and 29. And last week, our team from Shillong, they have went to Delhi to sit with the sports ministry regarding the to renew the agreement, because it was I think almost 7 to 8 years now where we signed the agreement. So there was some correction to be made because it's quite a long time. So that's why we want to renew this agreement. So that's why. So and when we spoke to them, then the minister himself then said it's better that we'll do it here in Shillong. So that will be happening on the 30th of this month, National Game. No doubt we already signed, but there was some correction which were being made. There was some, I think, from the IOA and other things. So just that. As of now, because I've not got the full details of that, because like I said, I was not a part of that meeting. My team from here went. So still right now they are preparing it. So in a few days we'll get all the full details. I think it will be a 3 days visit. But like I said, because I need to get a official confirmation for that. Because I have till now I have got just the verbal confirmation. Preparation is going well. It's going well as of now, and like I'm not just saying as a sport minister, but I'm saying with especially after the many visit from different team, from the sport ministry, and last time from the this Indian Olympic Association, and many people who came and visited and did the inspection on the site, and they also were quite satisfied with our preparation right now.
How many grounds do we have?
Which ground?
Sports grounds.
No, there will be the for different discipline there will be like separate field of play. So right now we have a sufficient number of ground for indoors and for the events. That's what I can say. We have plenty of number. Even we have a backup ground also right now. We bring in the cabinet. Last time the total budget which we are looking into is 600 crores. As of now, it will be from the state. No doubt, we are pursuing from the central, from the ministry, but I cannot say because we never know. I mean, like it's depend on the central government. But as of now, right now, so we are going with from the state fund.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.